Hello, friends, and welcome to a brand new episode of Best Practice. Tell me honestly, have it ever happened that you have talked to someone and felt that they are not listening to you? You are saying something very important, but their mind seems to be somewhere else. Maybe you're sharing an idea at work or telling your family something, but it just doesn't land. Don't worry, it happens to all of us. And today, in this short and crisp episode, I am going to give you five steps that will help you to speak in a way so that people listen to you. Whether you're at work, you're at college, you're at home, or even talking to friends. Ready? Let's get started. Step number one, know your audience. So here's the first truth. Just because you're talking, that does not mean people are listening. See, people only listen when they feel what is in it for me. How does it matters to me? Example, you go to your boss and say, hey boss, I need a new laptop. That's about you. But when you go to your boss and say, hey boss, you know what? A faster laptop will help me finish my reports in half the time and I'll be able to respond to the clients way faster. Now that's about efficiency and impact. So before you start speaking, always ask this one critical question. What's in it for them? A small question, but it changes everything. Step 2, give your message a simple structure. Have you ever listened to someone who just keeps on talking and talking and talking, and after some time you say, wait, what's the point? This happens when there is no clear structure. So, for having a very clear structure, let's use PREP. P R E P. P is for point, say your main idea. R is the reason, explain why does it matter. E is the example, a proof or a story. And of course, P, which is point again, this is where you wrap up by repeating that point again. Example, you're in a meeting. You say, we should have short meetings. Point. What is the reason? It will save time and keep everyone focused. Give me an example. Remember, last meeting, it was just a 15 minutes huddle and we saved a lot of time rather than the 1 hour meeting. Repeat. So, shorter meeting helps. You see how clear that sounds? People get it instantly. Point number 3, use your voice and your body language. You might say all the right words, my friends, but if your voice sounds dull, people will just stop paying attention. So, play with your tone. Go high, go low, pause a bit, smile, emphasize on keywords, and don't forget your body language. Don't slouch. Sit or stand straight. Make that eye contact and use your hands naturally, not like a robot, but naturally. Even if you're a little nervous, which we sometimes are, these small things makes us look confident, and when we look confident, people listen. Step 4, make it interactive. People just don't even remember what you say. They remember how you make them feel. So make it interactive. Please understand, friends. Uh, Now people don't like monologues. They always like dialogues. So ask questions, share some stories, make them imagine something. Things like, hey, remember last time when that happened? How excitedly you shared that idea? How people were listening to you? Immediately people relate. And when people relate, people connect. They have been there. It's they feel your point. They don't just hear it. So don't turn it into lecture, turn it into a conversation. Because when people connect, they remember. Finally, step number 5, end it with an impact. Don't just end with, okay, that's all. Bye. Thank you. That's forgettable, right? End strong. End it with a story, a quote, something that people will actually remember and recall. So, next time when you're speaking and you're coming to the close, ask yourself, am I just sharing words? Am I sharing vocabulary? Or am I leaving a mark? Keep it short. When you end, make people pause and think. All right, so this brings us to the end of this very interesting episode. Let's do a quick recap. If you really want people to listen to you when you speak, number one, know your audience. Number two, structure your message. Number three, use your voice and body effectively. Number four, make it interactive. And number five, end it with an impact. I'm very sure this video will help you, and if this video has helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who have great ideas but they struggle to be heard. And of course, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with a brand new episode where we will discuss something else which would help you in this real world. Thank you. Take care.